Hey guys, my name is Elena, I am a graphic designer and this is my channel for beginners in Adobe Illustrator and in a graphic design. And today I'm going to show you how to draw this background in 80s style. This is one of the trends of 2020. And if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, let's start our tutorial. At first we need rectangle tool and hold shift and draw rectangle, any color. Now select this color. Now copy and paste this rectangle and make like this to the center. Now select first rectangle and move here like this. Okay, now select this rectangle and black and white gradient. Here 90. Okay, now here we need this color. Okay, now in the center this color and this color here. Let's move the slider like this. Okay, now we need this color and ellipse tool. Hold shift and draw this round. This is our sun. Now we need to draw stripes. First one. Okay, now hold Alt and make 4 copy. Now select all copies and align and this option. Now select the round and copies and Pathfinder, divide, ungroup and unselect our necessary parts and delete unnecessary. Good job. Now select these parts and first rectangle and move back. Unselect rectangle and a little up our sun. Now Pathfinder and unite. Select the sun and this gradient. Here 90. Okay, now let's change the colors. Here we need this color. Here this. And the last one. Here we need this color. Good job. Now select gradient tool and a little up with help of this tool like this. Good job. Yes, I like the sun. Now we need ellipse. Hold shift. Now we need radial gradient, black and white gradient, radial, and here red color. Opacity, screen. Now select this ellipse and make it smaller. And now more bigger. Select this rectangle and new ellipse and send back this ellipse make more bigger. Here slider like this and make more bigger, smaller. Now, yes, I like it. Good job. Now white color, and let's draw this small round. Okay, this is our new symbol, plus new symbol. Okay, delete this. We need sprayer tool and let's spray like this. Now here opacity, soft light. Okay, now let's make it here 40. Now again spray. You need to spray it only in empty places. Soft light, and let's look. Yes, I like it. Now select this color and rectangle tool, and let's draw buildings. You need to draw different rectangles. You can do it on your own taste, in your own taste. Okay, now select this and Pathfinder Unite. Now we need to unite here, Pathfinder Unite, and here. At first align it and unite, here align like this, and again unite, here the same. Select this and align and unite. Okay, now select all buildings and align like this, and this to the front. Let's move our buildings a little. Like this. Select all buildings and make them smaller. Okay. A little down. Now let's add some details. Select this point and down. Now this point and down. This point up. Okay, now here this point down. Add here anchor point and move up like this. Good job. Now select rectangle tool and let's add some elements a little down. Now copy and paste and one more here. Copy and paste and put here, and again copy and paste and here like this, and one more time here. Okay, now select all elements and buildings and Pathfinder Unite like this. Okay, now here bring to front. Yes, I like it. Now black and white gradient, here 90, here dark violet, here light violet, like this. Yes, I like it. Now select again and make a little smaller our buildings. Yes, now it's great. Now we need this color and rectangle tool, and let's draw the line here like this. Make it a little thinner like this. Now let's draw here. We need this tool with these options. Okay. Now we need in the stroke this color. Okay. Now select free transform and this option and move like this. Okay. Let's look. Now again select it. No, sorry, move it here. And again select and again select free transform and this option and this corner here and select this option and this corner like this here. Okay. Let's look again here and this corner like this. Yes, now I like it. Now let's look. Yes, it's great. Now select again object and expand. Okay. Now select, let's look. Now select and select black and white gradient. Okay. Now we need here pink color and here violet color. Yes, I like it. Now with help of gradient tool, now make it from top to down like this. Yes, I like it. Move the slider. Yes, great. Now copy and paste this rectangle and bring to front. Select grid shape and this rectangle and make clipping mask. Now this line select it and bring to front. Let's move it down closer. No, Ctrl Z. Let's make it a little fatter. Select it and make like me, like this. Yes, I like it. Now we need ellipse tool, this gradient, radial, delete this, and here this pink color. Okay, now here screen, let's move it here. Okay, now here we need black color. Put it here, make it thinner and a little longer like this. Copy. Now let's look and copy and paste this and hold shift and make it smaller, and let's put it here. It's like our highlight and 30 here. Now select this highlight and copy and paste it and put it here. and here, and let's turn it and put it here like this. Let's look. Yes, I like it. Now copy and paste this highlight, and here we need red color, and make it fatter, and here 30. Okay, like this. Okay guys, our 80s background is ready. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe. And if you want, you can share my tutorial, and see you in the next tutorials and in the next video about a graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah.